Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where tech meets truth, and today, we're diving into the top 20 explosive tech headlines from around the world, including India. From Apple's WWDC 2025 to Elon Musk losing billions, and India's AI revolution to deepfake detection breakthroughs, this is your ultimate dose of everything you need to know today in the tech world. So grab your coffee hot beverage, hit that like button, and let's get straight into the news. Today is the big day. Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference 2025 kicks off tonight at 10:30 p.m. IST. Expect the unveiling of iOS 26, Mac OS Tahoe, and the much-hyped Apple Intelligence updates. You can watch the keynote live on Apple's official website or YouTube channel. OpenAI is going all in on India. They've launched the OpenAI India Academy under the India AI mission to support AI learning and development in the country. The goal? Make India a global superpower in artificial intelligence. A massive 99% of Indian manufacturers are investing in AI, according to a new report by Rockwell Automation. They're using it for smart automation, predictive maintenance, and to boost efficiency. That's Industry 4.0 in action. Say hello to India's very own defense against fake content, Vastav AI. This new deepfake detection platform offers real-time analysis to stop misinformation before it spreads. A major win for digital safety. India's building its own large language model. Sarvam AI, selected by the government, is developing Sarvam 2B as part of the India AI initiative. It's a giant step toward homegrown AI solutions. Google CEO Sundar Pichai made a bold statement: AI can't replace human programmers, at least not yet. He believes AI will augment, not eliminate, developer jobs. That's relief for coders worldwide. Infosys just launched a 32 crore AI and FinTech Innovation Center at Gift City in Gujarat. It plans to create 1,000 high-tech jobs and develop digital tools for global finance. A big win for Indian tech talent. A life-saving invention from IIT BHU. Researchers have developed a smart wearable that detects drowning and sends immediate alerts. This could be a game changer for swimmers and fishermen across the country. Global Foundries is investing in India with a new semiconductor design and testing center in Kolkata. This could lead to full-fledged chip fabs in the future, putting India on the global chip map. India is diving deep into quantum computing. Under the National Quantum Mission, IISc Bengaluru is developing advanced QKD satellite systems. Quantum Internet? It might not be far away. Paytm has rolled out a new feature, custom UPI IDs that protect your privacy. Now, instead of your phone number, you can send or receive payments using a nickname-based ID. Smart and safe. YouTube users across the world, including India, experienced an unexpected outage on June 7th. Thousands reported issues accessing videos and uploads. Service has since been restored, but the glitch sparked memes instantly. Cloud giant AWS is now a key driver in India's digital transformation. From health to railways, public sector bodies are adopting Amazon Web Services for efficiency and scalability. Fashion e-commerce leader Myntra is going international. They've launched in Singapore through Myntra Global, catering to over 6.5 lakh Indians living there. Global Desi fashion is on the rise. Amazon is hitting pause on retail hiring to cut costs. While critical tech roles are still open, the company is slowing down recruitment across its online marketplace segment. In one of the biggest wealth drops ever, Elon Musk lost $34 billion in a single day, partly due to a public dispute with Donald Trump and Tesla stock fluctuations. Ouch. Washington and Beijing are back at the table. Trade negotiators are meeting in London to discuss tech exports, rare earth minerals, and the $2.4 billion Alphawave Qualcomm chip deal. 2025 could be the year of the startup IPO in India. 23 new age companies are readying to list on the Indian stock exchanges, with fintech and AI-based firms leading the way. India has officially overtaken Japan to become the world's fourth largest economy by GDP. While this is a proud moment, experts say we need to address rising inequality as well. Wrapping up the week, OnePlus 13s launched in India with flagship features, Resident Evil Requiem is out for gamers, and YouTube Shorts hits record growth. It's been a packed week for tech lovers. And that wraps up today's biggest tech stories from around the globe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss your daily tech fix. Drop a comment and tell me, which story shocked you the most today? Was it Apple's big reveal, Elon Musk's crash, or India's quantum leap? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay smart, stay updated, and stay curious.